There's a free site called VectorDad, completely free. You don't even need to sign up for it. And I'm going to show you some free things that are on this site. I'm going to go here under Designs, down to Design Elements, and then you're going to see a whole bunch of different decorations. I'm going to show 3 in this video, although there are more. The first one I'm going to show you is dividers. Now these are not the most exciting things, but they can really make your design go to the next level. There's some frames here and there's some border elements. And as I scroll on down, I can see it's just a simple SVG download. When I click on it, for example, it's just going to populate an SVG file. You can use this then in Inkscape and you can make a great looking design. These are completely free. Another design element that's often overlooked is arrow templates. Again, I'm going Designs, Design Elements, and then I'm going into arrow templates this time. And check this out. There's a whole bunch of different arrows. And as you scroll down, it just keeps going and going. These are all free and these are awesome. So I would highly recommend checking these out because they can really bring your design to the next level. Simply clicking download SVG opens it up, and an SVG file is a scalable vector graphic. That means you can make it a really clean, crystal clean image, making it quite large. It's scalable, so you can make it as big as you need to, and it will never get fuzzy. The third one that I absolutely love under Designs, Design Elements is Labels, Label SVG. And when I check this out, these are awesome for not only fine art prints, but actual labels if you're making crafts or t-shirt designs. So some of them are black, some of them are white. I love, for example, this one here. That's basically a crest, and you can make really nice looking t-shirt designs with a crest, either using Photoshop or Affinity Photo. It's a great time saver, and there's a ton of options here. Okay, that site again is vectordad.com. I'll put a link in the video description below. A big thank you to VectorDad. These are completely free. You don't need to sign up. And he writes right on the website, as I scroll on down here, you can utilize these patterns. And he writes here, it's free for personal and commercial use, which I absolutely love. Thank you, VectorDad. Here's another video on how you can supercharge your crafting journey for free.